common question we get asked here at the Surf Engineering Association is, what exactly is 3D printing? So in summary, 3D printing is an additive manufacturing technique that builds 3D structures one layer at a time. And by adding layer upon layer, it can create 3D shapes. So you're probably wondering how this process relates to surfboard fins. Well, we use 3D printing technology for rapid prototyping of fins for surfboards. So rapid prototyping in this case means that we can design our fins and then make prototypes rapidly using the 3D printing technology. And when we make changes to our design of the fins, we can use 3D printing to make rapid changes where necessary. Rapid prototyping of our designs, we can use computer-aided design techniques to create a fin for any surfboard and then use our 3D printing technology to bring these designs to life. This means we can test our 3D printed designs and compare materials used in commercially available fins. Printing technology allowed us to come up with our own designs of fins and test those prototypes in the water. The first time we did this was in 2016 at Snapper Rocks, where we tested some of our earlier models. One of the main outcomes from those tests was that the mechanical flex and overall stiffness of our fins were close but not completely comparable to the commercial fin product.
So we're looking for new materials and we're testing for different materials than what the commercial fin makers can give you. And we're looking at a whole bunch of different composite materials using different printing technology, all with the aim to make our materials cheaper and eventually on printers that are readily accessible to people. Because normally if you want a fin, you really have to go with what a manufacturer gives you. Whereas if you want a surfboard, you can go to your local surfboard shop and you can get exactly what you want. So they differ in the type of materials that we're going to use. Most of the commercial fins are made by injection molding, or they put different layered materials in. What we can do individual solutions because we have more control over the materials.
My role in terms was helping Mark start up the project, but basically now testing fins in terms of logging hours with trace data so we can get a baseline for different fins, and then now just testing the actual 3D printed fins and see how they compare to what's already currently in the market. And I guess the idea was we were able to maybe print a fin and then change it within hours, and then the surfer could go, well, this fin feels too thick or too thin, and be able to give them that instant customised design to suit a specific surfer in that ride. So basically customised fins for everyone in that regards.